Hello there and welcome to this short introduction video about our company IT Near You, the computer support and services company in the Greater Wellington region. We pretty much cover the entire region all the way up to Kapiti Coast, but if you happen to be in the Upper Hutt area, we support that pretty extensively as well. So no matter where you are in the Upper Hutt area, be it if you're having a problem with an Apple computer or a Windows computer, we can assist with pretty much all of those computers. We don't judge you on what you decide to use. We have no particular favorites. We just like to fix computers. You could have an iPhone. We'll help you transfer information from one iPhone to another. Maybe you've got a mail sync issue. Perhaps you've got a wireless issue at your home or your business where the signal is bad. We can help with that as well. Now, anything IT related, be it a smart TV, be it an Alexa or a Siri device or something along those lines, or a Google Home, we can assist with all of that equipment. We can help with your smart cameras. We can help with cybersecurity. If you've been hacked, perhaps you've been asked to do an audit by the bank to secure your computer. Absolutely anything IT related. Call the IT company near you, IT Near You, on 0800 42 0042, or you can email us info@itnearyou.nz. We're IT Near You. We're the IT support and services company near you in the Upper Hutt area.